A few weeks ago, we saw a leaked photo of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 in a case looking ready to hit the town. The photo gave us the impression that the phone had no gap between the halves when it was folded, but now Slash Leaks has shared some images and a video of Galaxy Z Flip 5 dummy units in white and black. And guess what? There's a gap when the phone is closed. The phone is supposed to have a new water drop hinge that lets it fold flat, but the video on the Slash Leaks site clearly shows the gap. The phone also has a bigger 3.4-inch cover screen that lets you use some apps without opening the phone. Google has apparently tweaked some of its apps like Maps, Messages, and YouTube to work better on the cover screen. This could make the Galaxy Z Flip 5 more convenient and practical. When you open the phone, you'll see a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor inside. The phone will have a 12-megapixel main wide camera and a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera on the back and a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the front. The phone will come in different colors like beige, gray, light pink, and light green. Some exclusive colors might be blue, green, platinum, and yellow. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be announced on July 26th at Samsung's next Unpacked event, along with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and the Galaxy Tab S9 series. You can watch the Unpacked event live on Samsung's website or on YouTube at 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Flip 5? Tell me your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Peace out.